Why passive income is your best answer to money worries. Disclaimer, this video is not financial advice. It is intended for informational purposes only. Please consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment or trading decisions. Introduction to passive income. The idea of earning money while you sleep or vacation is alluring, isn't it? That's precisely what passive income is all about. It is a revenue stream that requires minimal active involvement, allowing you to earn even when you're not directly working on it. Passive income can come from various sources, like real estate investments, royalties from books, or even from online ventures. In our fast-paced, demanding world, passive income has become a sought-after strategy for financial growth. It provides a way out from the 9-to-5 grind, offering financial security without sacrificing personal freedom or time. But before we delve into the mechanics of passive income, let's understand its power, especially in creating multiple streams of income. The power of multiple streams of income. In an unpredictable economic climate, diversifying your income sources is not just a smart move. It's a survival tactic. Having multiple streams of income lessens reliance on one source, providing financial stability during tough times. This strategy is a safety net, reducing the risk of financial ruin if one income stream dries up. Moreover, multiple streams of income provide a way to build wealth faster. Each stream represents a separate avenue for money to flow into your life, making it possible to accumulate wealth in less time. Thanks for watching the video on why passive income is your best answer to money worries. Affiliate disclosure. Please note that if any links are clicked in the description and purchases are made, that it is assumed that the owner of this channel may earn commissions